A variable has a name, and you can store something in it. A variable named favFood can hold a value like burger. In programming, a variable is a named storage location that holds a value. They are essential for storing and manipulating data. Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created when you assign a value, for example, x equals 5. You can change a variable's type by reassigning it. For instance, x starts as an int. To specify a variable's data type, you can use casting. For example, x equals str5. You can check a variable's type using the type function. For example, type x will return the type of x. String variables can use single or double quotes interchangeably. Both x equals Ali and x equals Ali are valid. Variable names are case sensitive. For instance, a equals 5 and a equals Ali are two different variables. Legal variable names must start with variable